Welcome to this walk around video today. We do have this lovely BMW 335D Touring. This is on 66 registration and does come with a nice specification which I'll go into detail throughout this video. The car is finished in Black Sapphire metallic, and as you can see it does have the BMW shadow line elements to the exterior. We do have the LED headlights. If we move around to the side, it does come with the M Sport Plus package, giving you the upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport braking system, the rear privacy glass, and you do get the Harman Kardon sound system inside. If we open the boot, you do get the retractable partition, as you can see there. Of course, is fully electric tailgate. If we take a look inside the cabin now, you do get the full black Dakota leather throughout, and as you can see, there's the sliding panoramic sunroof. Moving on into the front of the car, you do get the gloss black trim with the brushed aluminium throughout. As I mentioned earlier, there's the Harman Kardon sound system. You do have electric folding mirrors as well. This car's done just over 79,000 miles, and the condition in this car is still very up to standard. You do of course have your cruise control and your leather steering wheel with your paddle shifts. Pro nav does also come with front and rear sensors, your heated front seats, and all your controls there for the infotainment. So there it is. If you've got any more questions on our BMW 335D Touring, please get in touch on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.